Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about isNaN function, which determines the value is not a number or not. But keep in mind that none function have a interesting rule which can alternatively use the dot NN function in the number. So it's part of the ECMA2015, or you can say ES6. So I'm gonna create a function function and call it milliseconds and pass x. After that, what we're gonna do is if is not a number and pass the parameter which we take from that, and if that is a none, it will be return not a number. This is what it does. And after that, if it is, it gonna give you the millisecond, true millisecond. So return x nu, what the heck is it? Nu 1000. Now what we're gonna do, as you know by now, that we're gonna use the millisecond to log it on a console and pass something like, keep in mind though, you need to pass it in as a string. So 100f, it's gonna say not a number. Oh yeah, but yeah, it will be capital though, but yeah, still it's not a number. After that, I'm gonna pass geo point 0314 e plus 2. When we do that, it's gonna give you in milliseconds. So yeah, this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.